Welcome back to Bearded Barbecue and Adventures. This is Don, and I've got Little Bear with me today. And what are we doing today?
Eating pork butt.
We're going to smoke a pork butt. Then we're going to eat it with some pulled pork sandwiches. Does that sound good? All right, high five. Let's get going. Okay, so we're going to start seasoning up the pork butt. It's about a 8.18 pound pork butt with the bone in. And I'm going to go ahead and inject it with the Tony's injectable butter. And then we're going to season it really good all over the outside with that hardcore carnivore red. So through the power of magic, we're just going to fast forward this process for y'all. Well, time to go check out the grill, see if we're up to temp, and get this baby on the smoke. All right, it's time to go ahead and get this bad boy on. So what I've done is I've got the pork butt in this pan, and we're doing it fat side down because that'll kind of help protect it from the heat. Even though we're doing it on indirect heat as well, it's going to render down, and we're going to leave it uncovered for the first little while until we get a good bark on it. Then we're going to cover it. Once we cover it, ooh, that wind, it's going to kind of help steam, and it's going to keep it moist and tender all throughout the cook. So we'll be checking back on this in a few hours. I'll get the temperature probe and everything in it so we can monitor it. We've had the pork butt on for about 3 hours now, so I just wanted to kind of take a look at what the bark is looking like, and we're looking pretty good. I like it to get that nice mahogany color, so I think what we're going to do is going to go ahead and wrap it. That way it will continue to kind of steam in its own juices and get super tender for us. All right, it's been in there for a long time. We're up to 205 degrees internal temp, so now it's time for the probe test. I'm just looking for how easy that probe goes. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Guys, this is going to be really tender. I'm excited about that. So it's probing over 200 degrees all over. Consistency of peanut butter when you insert the probes. We're going to go ahead and pull this and let it rest in the cooler for about 30 minutes to an hour, somewhere around there. All right, everybody, it is time for the test. So we've got this pulled off. We're going to see how it comes off of that bone. Comes off pretty clean, so that's the bone. Now the true test is, will it shred? Yep, it shreds. And we are ready to make us some sandwiches here and get down. All right, guys, let's do a little taste test here and see what it tastes like. Man, I cannot wait to make a sandwich out of this. Oh my God, a little barbecue sauce. We got some onions, we got some pickles. It's gonna be out of this world. So until next video, I'll see you behind the grill or behind the wheel.